Hi, I'm Dean Weintraub, Development Manager for AC Group, and we hope you all had a relaxing time with loved ones over the Christmas break. I'm delighted to provide you our first project update for 2023 for the Delray Kirra. Our principal contractor, Hutchison Builders, has reported the following construction update. Level 3 suspended slab completed. Level 3 and 4 double height precast panels have been installed. Level 3 vertical elements have been poured up to the underside of level 4 slab, and commencement of level 4 formwork deck and cast-in services. Looking ahead, key construction milestones anticipated to be completed before the end of February 2023 include completion of level 4 and 5 suspended slabs, installation of level 4 vertical elements, and erection of perimeter scaffolding up to at least level 6. Based on current program, building completion is currently anticipated for late Q3 2023.